All right, today on Unpacked, we're going to be looking at some unique kind of dosing, dispensing mechanisms that we found out and about in the field, if you say, if you will, if you will, you might. All right, the first of these that we're going to take a look at, we'll open this box here in a second because I think there's a little bit more to dig into here, is this Health by Habit packaging. And this was just a really unique pack that we found that has this rather large closure on top. But they've done a really interesting thing here in the way that they've opened it. It's just this little twist to open. It reveals something on the side, of which you can dispense the product. It doesn't dose per se, but it's just a really kind of a nice, premium, unique dispensing. I love what they've done here with the design overall and the aesthetics, the functionality. There's some white text on black, on yellow that's really hard to read from just a legibility standpoint. And lastly, this is a huge balance. This is tension because I love when brands do unique things with packaging. It's a lot of material. So from a sustainability standpoint, like this is a very heavy, large two-piece closure. So it's just a lot of material. So that's probably my two biggest pushes on this. The next brand that we're gonna open up here, that is another unique kind of dispensing, dosing method, is this brand called Seed. And we've done a video of theirs before. Because inside was mycelium packaging. I don't know if that still exists in here, which is like that mushroom grown packaging, but we're gonna find out together. On the outside of this, just a flood green box. And on the inside, again, an overall flood coat of green with this, holy cow, metal structure. And then looks like they are not using mycelium. They're using a technology called paper foam for this one. Maybe we'll do another video that kind of talks about paper foam, but that's what this is. And so from a sustainability standpoint, it is like a compostable structure. It is technically recyclable, but yeah, we're not gonna get super into that today. Read before you seed. Peel for how to use daily. Kindly keep this backtrack container for your future refills. Be mindful of Earth. Looks like, I'm just gonna peel this off of here so that we can get to the pack. Holy cow, this thing is robust. This is a very thick metal canister. That's a lot. And overall, inside is these probiotic, pediatric daily symbiotic. It's a powder system. I don't know exactly what you mix it in or how you use it, but it's a lot of packaging for what it is. I gotta be honest. The interesting thing that they've done here on the outside is they've just created this simple print, and there's all the days of the week: Satsun, Mantu, Wedthe, Fre, all of the days of the week. And there's a dot printed on the bottom, and so once you've consumed your daily daily dose, you just, I believe, spin it to indicate that you've done that day. And then if you pick it up later and you've forgotten whether or not you took it, because people like me forget, it's just a visual indicator. I think this is a lot. I think it's beautiful. I think they've done a really, really nice job with it, but there's a lot of packaging for what it is, and you know, very simple integration. I'm curious to know how effective it is for consumers. But I don't know. I think Seed's done a really nice job with branding and overall being really intentional about a lot of the sustainability and requirements they're packaging. So, anyways, if you've seen some other stuff out there that has really interesting dispensing, dosing to it, let us know in the comments below, and we'll take a look at it. Maybe, if you're lucky. Thanks for watching.